Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're gonna do another dividend income update. Now this one is for the month of August. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, my name is Dred and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos, and currently I am documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you're interested in seeing how everything unfold, or just want to show your support, then definitely like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell, because doing so means a lot to me already. So if you've done that, thank you so much. And with that out of the way, let's get back to the video. And as always, as you can see here, we are on the dashboard of TD Ameritrade. You can see that there's like around $4,200 in my account right now. That's the total account value. And if you see, it's the markets are closed right now because I'm filming this on a Sunday night, which is actually a Sunday morning back in the US. So everything is closed, and then tomorrow it will be closed again because it's Labor Day. Yes, it is Labor Day. But anyway, as you can see, there is 6 positions now in my TD Ameritrade account because I actually added one. I added the Charles Schwab US REIT ETF. Okay, I decided to actually add that one just so that I can expose myself to more REIT stocks. Basically, just expose myself into more real estate portfolios. But anyway, that actually only cost me like around 36. Around 36, yeah, because I had it I had like an extra balance in my TD Ameritrade account for like around $80, so I did that instead of just like letting the amount there sit. And that just pretty much tells you that I actually went back into reinvesting my dividends. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be focusing back on growing my portfolio, even though it hasn't come back up yet because of the pandemic. But you know what, I'll just keep on building and building them up until I get to a point where they're kind of big enough that hopefully they will get me enough dividend income monthly. Okay, but anyway, let's go to our accounts, see the history, and there you go. I've actually populated it already, and there aren't really a lot here. There's only 3 payouts that happened throughout the month of August, and that is PCI on the 3rd with $2.33. Realty income right here with $2. This was on the 14th of August, and then on the 17th, STAG with $3.18. Now if we total everything together, that's like around $7.51. Pretty small amount, but you know what, we're getting like a lot of consistent payouts from these 3 stocks, so that's very good. If they actually keep on increasing, then yeah, then that's a good result for me then. But anyway, that's pretty much it for TD Ameritrade. All right, so here we are on the dashboard of Webull. As you can see, there's still 5 stocks here. I haven't actually changed anything on the Webull platform yet. I didn't actually add anything here as well, but if you can see here, yep, September 7th, markets will be closed in observance of Labor Day. And there you go for the symbols right there. Let's see at my account value, $1,296. So that's like it's just like fluctuating, really. You're around that level, and right now I don't really care. But anyway, cash balance of around $35. Yeah, I haven't actually used this at all, just because I wanted to like probably invest more in good. I'm just like looking for the right price. I know it's like really down right now, so it is a good time to buy. But what's really interesting is with land, because for some reason I didn't really put a lot of effort into this one, but it is the one that actually performed well right now. Okay, it's performing really well. But anyway, let's go back to the main topic here. Let's go to the funds. Okay, and you can see there is 4 throughout the month of August. First one is on the 3rd with AT&T, that's like $5.20. The next one on the 11th, AGNC with $1.56. And then the last 2 is good on the 31st with $3.38, and then land with 49 cents as per usual, basically. And if we total everything together, what I've earned here on Webull, that's around $10.63. Now, one thing that's very different right now is with NRZ, because NRZ was actually paid out on the July 31st. Okay, and I added that one on my previous month. Okay, so if we compare what I've earned this month to 3 months prior, which is around May, I actually like earned less this month just because NRZ wasn't included on this month. If NRZ was included, I would have added like at least $1.50. That's it. Even though it's very small, it would have jumped up my total earnings for this month to around $19. Okay, so that would have been pretty nice, but you know what, that's totally okay. Now that I've added another stock or ETF in my TD Ameritrade, that should actually help me increase my quarterly earnings instead, so I wouldn't be bothered about that one much yet. And that's pretty much it for the entire video. In total for the month of August, I actually made around $18.14, and if NRZ was included here, I would have made around $19.64. So not bad for this month. But yeah, I'll keep on posting this one, and plus it's actually my 13th month doing this one, and it's basically been a year since I documented my entire journey when it comes to money and personal finance. So I'll probably make another video detailing everything that's happened on my portfolios and also on my student debt. At least that way it's more in just one video rather than actually separating what I've done with my portfolio in here and then another one over for my student loans. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you actually enjoyed it, if you learned something here, or if you want to ask me questions or have any suggestions for my portfolio or any strategies that you can use, that you can give me, then definitely tell it to me. Share it with me, man. Like, I really need some of those advice. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.